previous classes in offline mode. It's once again, good morning, everyone. In continuation of last class, we discussed so many things. Again, I will show you this planning and everything. I'm showing the syllabus. Yeah, my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
Yeah. We're coming to the first unit already. I told you. So already I told you earlier the importance of the database, objectives and outcomes of the database management system. Even I told you the textbook, that is a Rambra database management system. Today I will post the textbook PDF also for WhatsApp. Even we started already what is data, what is information, and what is database, what is database management system, and what is metadata. Correct? Yes or no? Hello. Even we discussed about database applications also, real-time applications, and yesterday also we discussed in the last class. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please respond. Yeah, otherwise I cannot continue with the speaker. Again, just we will discuss about people who are absent in offline class again and giving some information. Data is a raw material of information. Information is what is the process of data. Then we can have that all the information already we discussed in the earlier classes. And coming to the metadata, already we know the data about the data. It's the high level data. And when we are going to discuss to enter some information, for example, article number, name, and father name, phone number. This is a high level data. When you are inserting records, which your name is Raju, article number 55, this is a low level data. But the high level data is termed as metadata. Already we discussed about this metadata definition and everything with example in the theory class. Correct? Yep. Yes or no? Hello. I'm not getting any response from you. Is it audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then why you are not responding? Please ask me. If you are not understood, you ask me. Otherwise, how I know? Right. Now coming to database, as I told you, it is a collection of data which is related to an organization. Database is a collection of data of some given enterprise or organization. The database, maybe the data may be anything. Already I told you, data may be it is a image, text, video, speech, whatever it is. That is the collection of related data is the database. Here already we discussed about so many things about data and information. The data is the raw facts. Already we know this. And the information is a processing form of data, means we have to process the data. Then because we are processing means we are going to collect exactly whatever the information. So it is a processing data. Now coming to another difference, here already I told you that it is not a significant for business. It is not a significant, but we cannot take the decision significant. It is not related to for business, any business interview. But the information is significant to a business. Already we discussed about this. And coming to third difference, the data is an atomic level piece of information. But the information is a collection of data because we have to segregate or process all the data so that we can get the related and accurate information. That's why the information is a collection of data. But data is a whatever it is, that's fine. Now, one more difference: data does not help in decision making, and the information we have the chance to decide. I go to many examples for this. Yes or no? No. Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, we cannot have any chance to take the decision with the help of data. I already told you the mobile shop, if you want to purchase any mobile, if you are using data, it is not possible. But if it is a information, means you want exactly under 10,000, then there is a chance to take the decision. That is what exactly the information is going to help to take the decision. So coming to the last difference with the example, the data is not a product name or name of the students, etc., etc. But coming to the information, it is a report card, not the progress report. So means it is a processed one, collection of all data we are processing, that is the information. I understood everyone, data and information. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already we discussed about
Yes.
this. Now, one more is applications of database management system. Already I told you so many applications in real lives. Every human being is using a database management system knowingly and unknowingly, but we are using because we know it is a part of our life. But because everywhere we have to release the data, that's why database we are using. For example, some of the real-time applications already I mentioned in the offline class. Even I am going to tell now with the transaction in bank. Your bank management system is the application of database management system. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. Because whenever you are going to deposit amount or make the withdraw amount, everything is going to manage it in a database. After some days also we can extract your information exactly. That's why transaction in a bank is a database management system. Are you clear? Like that we can write so many applications. The reservation mechanism. Yeah, university, the college, if you take, we are maintaining the database so that we are tracking the students, so that we are extracting information. So if any student is going to dictate or any student is going to reapply or any exams we are going to conduct or any information we want to share to the students, we have the database so that we are managing the data. So that we are exactly the database management system we are using. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Understood? Yeah. So now even her internet interactions. Internet interaction means we are using Facebook, WhatsApp, chat, so many things we are using. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all our database management
Yes.
applications are not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even computer has code. Even I can tell you one more thing also. Library. Here in our college we have library, right? The library also having some database. Yes or no? When you are going to verify any textbook, it is going to show how many books are available and how many books are not available on this title. Even if you enter into the library, you are going to scan your barcode. Then based on that, the information they are maintaining, how many times you are visited, and how many books you have taken, and how much time you are spending on this particular library, and everything it will be available because of the database management system they are maintaining. Are you clear? Are you clear about this? That is already you are aware of our library, correct? Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, nowadays, most of the people knows the supermarkets. When we are going to visit any supermarket, just we are going to take whatever the item you want and you can put it in the basket. At the time of billing, just they are going to scan the barcode, automatically the price and everything will be added because the database itself it is there. And not only that, if you visit any medical stores like Apollo or Medicals, etc., etc., here everywhere they are maintaining database management system so that they are accessing the data more accurately and more fast. That is also you can tell as a database management system. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Even telecommunication also we can take it as an app. So many are there, just I mentioned AI, but don't think only this AI I am going to tell because we are facing so many things in our real lives database management system. Like when you even nowadays even hostel also people are maintaining database management system so that they are going to arrange the things based on the database management system. Even hostel people also nowadays they are maintaining the database management system. Even if you visit any temple, also they are managing the database management system. So that don't feel database management system only in the format. Database management system is anything. Maybe videos and audios also they will maintain. Even traffic people also they are maintaining the database management systems so that they are giving the challans, all these things. If they are going to cut anything without helmet, just who are playing on this. Then all these things because of the database is there. If the database is perfect, the transactions will be done perfectly. So that's why you can take any one as a application and you can implement the database. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think all these things already we discussed, but again, I'm giving some information to you. So like that, we can use any real-time application and we can explain if they ask database, real-time applications of database management system. Anything, don't feel only this aid only I'm going to refer. No, you can, whatever the real-time you are facing, that application you can mention and you can explain it technically. Clear? Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Hello? All of it? Yeah. Now coming to the next topic, a very important topic, the interesting topic. Already you know the historical perspective after from 1950s before 1950s punch cards are there. They use punch cards to store the data. From 1950s onwards, tapes are there. So 1916 onwards, hard disks are implemented, and 2000 onwards, they use SQL, SQL, structural query language, and in modern 2010 onwards, they are using cloud computing, data, and this, all these things. Already, I given the technical things already, the history, historical perspective. Now we are going to discuss about the very important thing, file system versus database management system. A very important one, and you can expect one question from this. Sir, what is the meaning of file system? Can anyone tell what is a file system? Because of the disadvantages of file system, Here we have some advantages, means they implemented database management system. Because some of the disadvantages are there in the file system. Based on this, they implemented database management system. To avoid these problems in file system, they implemented database management system. We will discuss one by one. But before discussing them one by one, you must know what is a file system. Can anyone tell what is the file system? Hello? Anyone of you tell what is the file system? Hello? Hello? Anyone can you tell what is a file system? Every day we are using file system. File system also a database system. Database. If we are going to enter the data with the help of file system. Generally we are using. Can anyone tell?
We can store data.
Yeah. Yes. We can show there, but what is the meaning? Here I will tell you a file system. Generally, if you have one file, for example, uh, file means, I will show you. Now my camera is visible now. Is my camera visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No? Yeah. Now this is a file. You know very well physically this is a file, correct? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes.
Is it visible? File is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is I thought this is a second year A section file. Yeah. Now I'm going to ask submit your data. I will ask the students. Here, one student will come, he will submit. Then I will open this file, I can insert one file, one document, next to document, next to document. Like that, I'm going to insert all the documents in this file. Sometimes one student they can give more than twice, not more than one time, more than one time. Then I'm going to insert into that file. Now what happened? The file is going to access all the data. If you upload the data and inserting it is going to access the data. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are
Clear.
you clear about this?
Sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now what happened? The same student is given his data multiple times. Now, even though it is going to accept, because file system there is no mechanism for maintaining the data, so that here all the records are there. Whenever only one student is submitted 2 to 3 times, whenever I want to change something, for example, 66 students of your class is given 100 documents, maybe means only 5 or 6 students they are given multiple documents. Now, sometimes one student is detained. If that student is detained, I want to remove the document. Yes, I remove. But I don't know, I removed, maybe that student is given more than one document. I remove only one document, or whichever is came first. But that student is submitted more than one. So later some days, I am going to verify that student still it is existed in that file. Means the student is detained, is not eligible, but still I am maintaining the data. Means we can understand what is the problem. Are you clear? Especially the file management system is possible for redundancy of the data. Same data we can maintain more than one time. Are you clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Exactly what is the file system?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Now coming to our operating system. Now the screen is visible now. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
All of the screen is visible. Yeah. Now our operating system is going to maintain a file system. These are the files because you can store anything. Sir, you can store anything. It never tell. Your same redundant information also you can store. It never tell anything. It is already stored. Because the name difference is required. Otherwise, it is going to store. So this is what exactly the file. Inside of the files, you can store the whatever the information you want to store. This is what exactly the file system means. Our operating system is using file management system. If we are using file management system, the main drawback is it never it allows redundant information. Means it never tell the information is storing redundantly. It is accept whatever data you want to store. That is the first information we are going to understand. Some, for example, I will show you otherwise. For example. Here, one document I want to store. This boot camp workshop is there. Everyone is visible in this boot camp workshop? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? 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 This zip file is there. Now I want to store again this zip file with creation of one folder and I am storing it. Is there any advantage storing multiple times? Here, this file is here as well as this bootcamp. Here, the same file also. Then we are wasting the memory. When I want, for example, I don't want this document. If I deleted this, I thought maybe I deleted this document. But even still it is there. Because this is the problem with file management system. But operating system are using only file management systems. Understand? All the operating systems are using file management systems for easily understanding. Any user can, means general user, normal user, they can easily access with graphical presentation. Easily they can store, they can open very easy. That is why operating systems are using file management systems. Clear? Are you clear? First of all, what is a file management system? Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the differences. The first difference is from DBMS, database management system, to file management system. The file management system is a collection of records known as a file. Yes or no? Or data file. There's no way to verify. Collection of records. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A collection of records, anything, you can tell it is a file. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Response is required here. Quickly, time is running. Yeah. But when we are going to observe here, it is unrelated data. Here, master file is there, certificates is there, DST project is there, manual work is there, visiting page is there. Here, all the data is different formats. That's why it is a collection of records is known as a file, but there is no relationship. Anything you can take it as a file. Clear? File management system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yeah. Now coming to the database is a collection of related files. Yes, here also we are using files, but those files is having some relationships. For example, if we want to maintain Bhaskar data, then all files, all records must be related to Bhaskar. They're not related to others. That's why that is the database. So that if all are related, already I told you yesterday, the database is nothing but it is collection of data which is related to one organization or one enterprise, one company. So that our management is very easy. But coming to file system, we can store anything. If a file, we can store anything. It is possible. But coming to the database, we have to store the collection of data which are which is having some relationship. So that the accessing is more easy. Now understand first difference and definition of file system and database system. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the second difference. Yeah. Now second difference from file system to database. Here the file coming to file system. Here program problem. Why it is a program problem in a file system? Because here in file management system we have to store different categories of data. Yes or no? We are going to store different categories of data. Some are video files, some are audio files, some are GIF files, some are PDF files, some are images, etc., etc., etc. Because it is a collection of data. I told you very clearly. It is good for relationship. Sure. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. So that if you want to access PDF file, we need a PDF software. If you want to access GIF file, we need a GIF software. If you want to access any video file, we need a video software. That's why the different files we are storing, so that we need a different programs to access the different files. Understand? We have different categories of data in a file management system, so that we require different programming access softwares are required to access different files. Clear? If it is MS access, we need MS access. Yes or no? Yeah. But coming to the database management system, the programs are solutions, because here already I told you the database management system when you are implementing, here it is going to store only related data, same data, so that one software is enough to access the data. If you are maintaining the data for images, there all data must be in the image format, so that there only one software, one programming is enough to access any data in the particular database. So that it is a solution, very easy. Understand? Second difference is understood everyone? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the third difference, the inconsistency. Yeah. The data inconsistency. In file management system, there is a chance of data inconsistency. Here already I told you, in file management system, we can store any number of data. Same data we can store multiple number of times. Correct? As I showed just now. Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes, sir.
if you store more than three times, same data we store more than two times. Now after some time, the data you want to delete. One data, the particular data means rule number 20, it is three times I store the record. In a file management, it is possible. That's why after some days, that rule number 20 is deleted. So that I want to delete that record in my class, in my file. So that I delete it. But the same record is having more than one time. So even though I deleted that record, even though the data is available, because of the redundancy, so same data we are having more than one time, multiple times, so that the data is inconsistent. Even though I want to update something, here the rule number 20 is having three times, but I updated only first file. But later I want to check, I extracted second time, then what happened? Here the data is not updated. I feel the data is not updated. Means the data is an inconsistency state in a file management system. Yes or no? Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hello? Yeah. But here the data inconsistency is a solution in the database management system. How? Because in database management system, I already told you, here every file is going to store in a single time, means it is going to avoid the redundancy. Means if rule number 20 is there, it contains only one time. So anything you want to change, you change it in that record only, so that there is no chance of redundancy. If there is no chance of redundancy, there is no chance of data inconsistency. Here, the data is consistent in the database management system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Now, coming to the data isolation problem. Here, yes, data isolation is a problem in the file management system. Why? Because here in a file management system, data is scattered in various files and different formats. I will told you very clearly. Here, data is in a different formats because file management system will accept any category of data. The data is scattered as well as it is having different formats. When you want to update something or when you want to do something or write something on the file, you need different softwares to update the we need different programs to update the data. There will be different approaches because data is not in a isolation. Data is in a scattered way, so that the isolation is a problem in the file management system. Understood? Everyone has understood isolation is a problem in the data file management system. Understand? Hello.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Again, I will tell you. Data isolation. What is the meaning of data isolation? The data isolation is nothing but when you wanted to perform one particular operation. For example, I want to write some information. I want to retrieve some information from the existing data. Now, in a file management system, the data is in a different formats. One file is in a Word, one file is in a MS Access, one file is in a PDF, one file is in a video, one file is in a image. Now, I want to extract the data, so I need multiple programs to extract the data and apply the appropriate application. Yes or no? Only with one software it
Yes,
is
sir.
not possible to decide, take the decision. Means information we cannot collect. Already we know the information is nothing but it is processed data. We can take the decision based on the information. But if it is in a file management system, the data is in a scattered manner, different formats it is having. If the data is in a different formats, then only one solution cannot solve the retrieving of all the data. That's why we have to apply more techniques and we have to combine all the data. Again, we have to decide it. It will take more time. That's why the data isolation is a problem in the file management system. Understand? Because some data we have to watch video to extract the data. Some data we have to listen the audio, some data from video, some data from Word. Here, after that analysis only, we can decide this is the information from this file. So that we can proceed. Means it will take time. Understand now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, not coming to the database management system, so data isolation is a solution because there already I mentioned very clearly. Here, always in the database, it is going to store the related data. This means the information is stored in a same format, same file mechanism, so that any information you want to extract, here one application is enough, one programming is enough to retrieve the data so that it is very faster, very quick. Clear? Clear? Both difference is clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the fifth one. Integrity is a problem in a file management system. Integrity is a solution in the database management system. So first of all, we must know what is the integrity. Here, In a file management system, the data is different formats and data is scattered because it is not a isolation. Yes or no? There is no isolated data. Yes or no? Hello? 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 In file
Sir.
management
Yes, sir.
system, the data is scattered, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. One example I will tell you, then you can understand very easily. Here we are conducted classwork earlier offline mode, and in that we included training also, CR training. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here actually the mechanism is a file management system. That's why so many students are facing problem because yesterday they are concluded classwork is yesterday morning means afternoon they concluded because of the file management system it is happened. The all the classes must be done in a online mode. Correct? But training must be in a offline mode. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because the training is going to done by the placement office, the classwork is going to conduct from the department. So that the data is not in a isolation, the data is in a scattered. So that we have not taken a complete decision at a time. Sometimes they told classwork is online and training is offline. In the evening, again, they are going to take in so many all constraint. Finally, they decided even training also online. Correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the information integration. So in a file management system is a problem. The integrity is a problem because different categories of data is available in the file management system. So that when you are going to integrate all this data, it is a difficult task. So it will take time. Means that is why the integrity is a problem in the file management system. So when you want to develop a new constraint or new consistency, yesterday I told you, there are like classes, academic classes is online, CRT training is offline. So that is what, when you have to take any decision, it must be, it must be the problem. You cannot get the appropriate solution because that is a file management system mechanism. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
They're following file management system. That is why it is the problem. Even I will tell you one more solution also. Our college people are using file management system. That is what. Every time you paid fee in administrative office, even though still sometimes the queue is showing one document in the department. Yes or no? Have you observed that? Hello? Some of the students are facing this problem. Already they paid their fees, but still that fees is shown into the department. You are having some pending, so that you go and take the signature from the admin office. Like that they mentioned many times. But some students it is happened. Clear? Happened or not?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Here the but why it is a file management system? They are not using database management system. They generated one file, they are given to the department. They are updated, but that updated information is not there at department. So that is why they told you are having some due, but you are already paid. If this file management system is not, it is a scattered data, it is not integrated, we cannot take the decision based on this file management system. The integrity problem is there in the file management system. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now that is a solution in a database management system. How it is a solution? Here, it is an integrity solution because data is integrated. Because data is not scattered. Data is only related data. Data is in one place. Data is in the same format. Data is not in a redundancy. So that what happened? All the data must be integrated, and we can take the decision at a time, and even we can use only one way and extract the data. It is applicable. If they use database management system, once you pay the fee in the admin office, automatically it is going to reflect to the everywhere, not only department, it will be reflected everywhere. Wherever you go, it will be reflected. You are paying fee, online examination fee from your end, automatically it is showing to the examination people. It is already paid examination fee, so that we can download your hall ticket. Like that it is shown because it is a database management system. The fee payment is done in your administrative office. It is a file management system, but the fee payment in a examination fee payment in a online, that is a database management system. So that whatever you are paying, automatically it is reflected. If you paid fee, then automatically you are paying examination. Once you are paying examination fee, then you are going to download a hall ticket from your login. Then all these are because of the database. That's why integrity is a solution in a database management system. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 differences are there. I will conclude, I will end after sixth difference. Remaining differences we will discuss in the next class because time is running and next session maybe, we are having next hour immediately. So that after sixth difference, remaining differences we will discuss in the next session. Okay? Is it fine? But you must be prepared. I will ask tomorrow all these differences. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
The sixth one is problem in accessing of data. In file management system, the accessing of data is a problem. Already I told you, the data is redundant. So that when we are going to access some data, sometimes it is going to show other data. And when you are going to access some data, we need so many different kinds of softwares. Because if the data is redundant, what happens? If some data is, you thought some data is deleted because of the deletion of the student. But the redundance of data is available even though it will be shown. Just now I told you the videos. So you are paid, also it is showing because the redundancy is there because of this data backing of database management system. And so that accessing of the data is more problem in a file management system. Understood? Understand?
Yes, sir.
And also in a file management system, the information is extracted manually. Manually means one person has to do. That means he has to check one by one record, and finally he has to identify that record is there or not. If it is there, what it is. Then it will take more time if the data they want to access in a file management system. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But coming to the database management system, accessing of data is a solution because it is automated and the data is not scattered, the data is related and data is stored in the same format so that there is no redundancy in the data, so that accessing is more faster and it is a solution. And the data is consistent here. So that it is a solution. Data accessing is a solution in a database management system. Understand? Good. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand these six differences from file management to database management system?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very important. You can
Yes, sir.
expect very much question from this different file management system to database management system for external examination. Very important. The remaining four differences we will discuss in the next class. Okay? Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.